yeah, yeah. Why you gotta be so rude?
Hello guys, my name is Sam and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be changing up my channel. I'm going to be celebrating gay pride. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for this. I am going to be doing you a nice rainbow look, and I'm going to be doing something that I have never did before on camera, to be exact. I'm going to be reversing my makeup routine. I'm going to start off with my eyes and my eyebrows first. So yeah, what we're going to do is do a little brows off camera, and I'll be back to you know, we're just going to be a little tipsy as well, so you better be prepared, and this is going to be very awesome. I cannot, anyways, what we're going to start off with is I'm going to go off camera, and I'm going to do these brows, and then we're going to start on the eyes. We're going to do a nice rainbow look with a little cloud moment, hopefully. We're not really sure what we're going to do yet, but that's what a little ideas are going on inside this brain of mine. So what we're going to do right now is do the brows, and I'll be back in just a minute. Oh, hello. This is not sponsored, but Zaxby's is awesome. I eat it like almost every single day, so get the wings and things. I love me some wings and things. If you want to know my Zaxby's order and you want me to do a little mukbang and all that stuff, I'll do a separate video down below. If you comment down below and let me know if you want to see that video, I will do that. And yeah, don't be afraid. Comment, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can be a winner of a teeth whitening pen. Okay guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Are you subscribed? There's no reason for you not to be subscribed, because you keep coming back, calling me my little faggots down and coming along. I love those, because honey, I'm going to reply to you, but like, thank you so much, you noticed? It's Pride Month. We're going to have more trolls out there, so we got to be prepared. Now that I got my brows done, I'm going to just go ahead and shape them out a little bit with some paint pot, and I'm just going to be right back. I didn't even go on to say that. You're an idiot. Okay guys, I am back. I got my brows carved out, in which, you know, the only rainbow palette that I have on me, or even close to a rainbow palette, is the, you know, James Charles Anything Confused palette. So that's what we're gonna have to use today, and you know, support Morphe. I love me some Morphe, but James Charles not. I just feel like he uses his age way too much. I'm like, honey, most of us is all the same age as you, and we make mistakes, but we own up to them, and we don't say it because of our age. So get that correctly, and just do us all a favor. Anyways, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna ooh, I gotta find my brushes. I ain't got enough room. Where did I put that top? Okay, I'm going to go in first with, you know, we're going to be doing a nice rainbow look. So I'm going to go in at the top right here. I'm just going to bring it up pretty high because we're going to try to fit, how many colors in the rainbow? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, like 6 colors on my eyes. So what we're going to start off with, the reason I'm not doing any foundation first, because I know I'm going to have to pack on the colors, and I really want that pigmentation to come out. So what we're going to do is a nice rainbow, and try to end it with a little cloud at the end over here. What do you think about that? I think that's pretty bomb. I accidentally forgot to start recording, and I already started putting the orange and the inner right here. So yeah. This is gonna hurt. This is gonna hurt. Bite my time, wearing a warning sign. Way too long. Like I said before, you gotta build up that pigment. Once you do that, tap off the excess, and you just want to make sure it's blended. It's time for that yellow shade to be tucked into there. So what we're going to do, we're going to get the ultimate pigment on this one. And we're going to get the ultimate pigment right here, and we're just going to tap that yellow in, honey. Tap. Don't worry about making any mistake. You want to tap that yellow in because you do not want that pigment to go anywhere, honey. Don't worry about blending. You can blend later. And as we're tapping, it's kind of blending. Oh my gosh, yes, that's what I'm living for right here. This ultimate pigment of this yellow. Oh my gosh, look at that splat. That looks, oh my god, yes. Okay, I like that. Just noting that we're going to be cleaning this up because we're going to be putting on some, I don't know why I put that wing there. It's probably going to get covered up anyways. I don't know. Okay, what I'm going to do is go into this side over here, and I'm going to create the same colors on this side, and then we'll be back to finish the rest of the look.
Yes, hi guys. I brought home some food. Like this filming taco salads. Yes. Y'all see I don't got my makeup on today. I got off work. Oh, and I got my hair done too. Got hit up my girl Amber Reese. Period. Oh.
Okay.
Sam think he cute. I'm cute too. Ooh, I'm breaking out. Look at my cheek. Oh, baby. Look at you. What you doing? Hey. Period pool.
Okay guys, what we're going to do now is you can hear a little bit of ruffling or air conditioning in the background. I'm so sorry about that, but it was getting hot in here and I could not do my makeup and be hot at the same time because I was just sweating right back off. Okay, now what we got the eyes almost done. They're nowhere near complete, but what we're going to do is go ahead and go with the foundation before we can do the rest of the details on the eyes. What we're going to be using today on foundation, I think I want to go like an Instagram coverage, full coverage moment. I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place foundation. I have did a review on that. If you want to check that video down below, it will be linked down in the description because I just want to give you a little more details in this video about the Juvia's Place foundation. The foundation is a very thick consistency, but it is an awesome foundation. But the thing about it, it says a matte foundation, but it does not keep me matte in my T-zone like it's supposed to be done. But like it's just very irritating because my nose will come off throughout the day, and I can use a cheaper foundation and it doesn't do that. So that's what really bothers me. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use 2 foundations today. So I'm going to use the Fit Me foundation because I really love the matte and poreless, and also I'm going to use the Juvia's Place foundation because it is pretty good with the coverage wise, but it doesn't last as long. So I'm going to make me a little cocktail today, honey. I'm just going to use like a little bitty drop, basically, to just like, you know, give it some more coverage. I'm going to use my sponge today. I'm just going to speed through this process for y'all. I don't have to hear the raining and the air conditioner in the background. Now I'm going to take the Jeffree Star concealer. This is my bomb concealer. I've been testing out the Juvia's Place concealer, but I'm just going to do a little bit of Jeffree today because I know she will actually work for me. I'm going to use this sponge right here to blend out my concealer. And this, I think this is the e.l.f. sponge. I don't know if y'all have ever like really seen it. This is one of the e.l.f. sponges and it's amazing. Oh my gosh, that is so lit. I'm loving that blended in, guys. All I've learned so far is that Jeffree Star Concealer is working really well with this foundation. Oh my gosh, I cannot deal. I think Jeffree Star might be my go-to when I do this foundation because it didn't look this good when I did it with my other concealer that I got from Juvia's Place. But Jeffree Star Concealer is working. Well, also I did mix this foundation too, so that could be something to do with it as well. I'm going to be dipping into my banana powder from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and what we're going to do is set this concealer before she starts to crease, honey. I'm going to take my Morphe sponge and I'm just going to work this in to set it. A light layer of powder at first. Edge, shoulder, knees, toes, we don't know these hoes. Uh-oh, look how smooth we looking on camera. I cannot deal with myself right now. Oh, bitch. Try to set the whole entire face. Since we're looking all nice and smooth, oh my gosh, I can just go ahead and move on to my next thing that I need to do. What we're going to do, start off, I guess we can go ahead and finish the rest of the face. Or should I do a little baking first to make it last longer? Hold on. I'm going to do a little mist and then I'm going to do a little baking and then I'm going to finish the rest of the eyes. Now I'm going to start to bake, so what I'm going to do is take that powder, put it up against the nose because you know that's the part that we really want to keep matte. I'm going to turn the thing where I don't have to get everything because I do want to have a little like oil come through, but not like on my whole entire face because this nose T-zone needs to go matte the whole entire day. While we sit at 350 degrees, we're going to go ahead and draw some clouds at the outside of my eye. And yeah, so let's get started, honey. You see this cloud over here? This is what we're going to do. We're going to do a exact same thing over there on this side. That's how I'm going to explain it. This is how I do it. I turn the brush upside down. Okay. I'm going to bring it in a little bit more. Barely touch it with the brush to make a cloud. And over here you're going to press like you did the first one. I'm not going to lie to you, it's probably not going to be that white until I get into Facetune and whiten it up because this concealer is a very peachy shade and I don't have any white concealers. But on camera right now it looks pretty white to me when I'm packing on this white on top of it. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of this caramel powder and dust it around my face where all the darker edges of my face should be done. I'm going to do is take a little bit of that on this brush and then put it in the lid. And I'm just going to do a little bit of dusting to make sure my color is back into my face. Okay, what we're going to do now is I'm going to take a little bit of bronzer and I'm just going to bronze up the skin. I'm going to do a little contouring on the nose. Actually bronzing up the nose. Okay, what we're going to do off camera is I'm going to put on some lashes and some mascara, and I'll be back to finish off the finished look of this video with some lipstick and stuff. Okay guys. Okay guys, I am back, and I'll put me a little bit of prosthetic nails. I put me on some not prosthetic. What the frick is prosthetic? Okay guys, I am back. I put me on some press-on nails before we can go match our outfit and this look today, honey. And what we're going to do is finish off the lips, take a few photos, do a little bit of glam shots, and yeah, we're going to be done with this look. And this is my proud look for you guys. I am so excited and I am so proud that I created this for you guys. The picture's probably going to be way better than it is on camera, but I hope you can see every shade that I put on my eyes. And yeah, I've worked so hard on my quality and everything to be put together. So what we're going to do is do a little bit of lip. Okay, I don't know if I can do anything with this. We're just going to have to go on with lipstick. I was going to do a lip liner, but I'm just going to have to go straight in with lipstick because these press-on nails are going to pop off because, you know, I can only have nails on for like a day because I'm going to go back to work the next day. So what we're going to do is just work with just a little bit of lipstick. It's a nude. Yes. So it's like cake powder. Let me tell you what brand is it. I'll tell you in just a second. Hold on. Yes, this is from Address New York. I don't know, I've never heard of that. I got it in a BoxyCharm. But it's okay. What we're gonna do is we're basically finished with this look, and I'm so excited. Oh my gosh! It only took 4 hours. So, whatever. Anyways, what we're going to do is finish up this video, and thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up because I did put on press-on nails for you guys. It does take a minute to get them on. This is my first time actually sticking them on my finger, and they're about to pop off because I'm barely putting any glue on it. And I hope you enjoyed it. Yes, girl, and I'll see you next time with another Pride motherfucking video next year or next Pride. And hope you leave a little bit of love and support in the comments. I know I'm going to have a lot of trolls since it is Pride Month because people like to troll on people's channels, especially in the LGBTQ community. People, y'all like to just troll over people. And I'll see you guys next time with another video. And yeah, bye.